Ayan, parang ganyan lang.
Memories.
Ang mayaman ako eh. Walang tapon to. Kain lahat.
Pati ba, Ben?
Gatod.
Kala ko tatapon mo nga eh.
Ano ako? Ano prinsipe?
Ha? Saan? Sige, sige, alam mo na kami.
I remember that look on my daddy's face. He came home that day. Daddy lay in marble red, sitting empty by my bed. He looked at me and this is what he said. No matter what, I'll always be your dad. You taught me how to be a man, how to shake a hand, how to take a stand. Yeah, you taught me what family's all about. You taught me how to treat a girl, how to hold her hand, how to be her world. Yeah, you taught me what love is all about. But my favorite thing that you had ever taught me was how to be a dad.